Hey guys, welcome back to Mercedes Lounge. This right here is a 2021 Mercedes E350 4MATIC. This is a redesigned facelift of the new E-Class, and it looks gorgeous. Finished in white exterior, 255 horsepower with 273 pound-feet of torque. Let me just give you guys a brief walk around. It's got some new design rims. These are basically for your aerodynamic features. You have this cap on the interior of the rim. These are AMG black rims, and the size of the rear tires is 245/40 R19. Going to the front, it has the AMG line exterior package, which offers you AMG night package with the black side mirrors. It's got the multi-beam LED lights and the diamond block grille at the front with a single bar. Let's check it out. Good. Now most people are not gonna like the wood trim, but I love this steering wheel. So symmetrical. It's got some
okay on the left side of the steering wheel to clear the low fuel level message. There you go.
Wow, these truck pads, the touch pads are just amazing. Oof. This is a different feel for sure.
To be driven calmly, and it even feels more rewarding to drive it that way, right? Like it performs better that way. It invites you to drive it more efficiently and more comfortably.
Yeah, and the engine, 2-liter inline 4, so 255 horsepower, 273 pound-feet of torque. You might think that's not a lot of power, but they have tuned the engine very well.
And numbers don't mean anything. You can have an 800 horsepower car that's slower than a 600 horsepower car for a lot of factors. One big thing is the transmission, and Mercedes transmissions are very efficient, so you're not losing a lot of that power to the ground.
Yeah.
So nice combination of efficiency and power. Weight reduction because of the inline 4-cylinder, not a heavier 6-cylinder. There's a lot that goes behind it. These German engineers really spend the time.
And visibility is really good. It feels very spacious on the front. So I guess the 9-speed does a good job of engine output as well.
Mercedes says that 9 gears is the optimal gear ratio for maximum performance and efficiency in all scenarios, is their take on it.
Yeah.
Because, you know, there's some cars out there that have 10 or 11 gears now, and, you know, anything's possible, but they decided that 9 gear ratio is the best for all applications. I really like the transmission.
Let's see, go back here. Yeah, this is an elegant car. You're not gonna do a whole lot of messing around with. I think in terms of quality, see how that moves, but so you just pointed it. So let's set some seat kinetics. Draper. That's the bubble, lets you know when you're close to the curb. Oh, that's neat. I like it. Got the eco start stop, obviously.
It seems like they've refined it. It's a lot more smooth. It's not quite as
the first time I experienced the start stop, it was kind of unnerving because I thought something was breaking the car, but now it's actually very soft.
Yeah, and with the E450 with the 48 volt system,
gear shifts, I think it's one of the favorite features on this car. The transmission is very solid. You cannot get this in carbon fiber, can you?
Not on the E350. You can get metal weave, which is a close second. I'm starting to really like metal weave because it's a Mercedes exclusive trim. No one else quite does it. But
yeah,
same principle, right? Just thin metal strands instead of carbon fiber, but in a woven pattern. I really like it.
Ah, E350. Well, I'm really here for the GLE. Nice. Oops. Oh my gosh. Such a nice display though.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh, the seatbelt just tightens up real snug. Feels good. So it's still 0 to 60 7.1, right?
Oh, I'm sure it hasn't changed because it's the same horsepower and everything.
Yeah,
so,
it doesn't.
Once again, E350, it's not. Its purpose isn't 0 to 60, it's just luxury and efficiency. So, I mean, it's a big car and it still can get. I mean, honestly, if you try with this engine and almost any of our cars, you can easily achieve at least 30 miles to the gallon. Like my C300, same powertrain, engine transmission.
Yeah.
On my way to work from Harriman, I've tried several times. I've been able to get 38 miles to the gallon.
Wow.
So it has a purpose. I mean, it's not super slow, but it's more about the ride and the efficiency.
It drives really good. Yeah, E-Class is definitely just elegant. You don't want to put a lot of fluff on the car and just...
Right, but then you can get an E63 that blows the doors off of almost anything. It's crazy.
Yeah. It's so simple though. It's very futuristic. It doesn't have a lot going on.
It's simple, but it's definitely not simple. Does that make, you know?
Yeah. It's got a ton of tech.
It's crazy. The amount of customization you can do and features, and it's...
So you see that?
It's overwhelming for a lot of people, but it's just getting used to it.
And it's still very responsive, really.
I mean, you know, pinch and zoom even on here.
Yeah. Because another thing is, I think Audi, they usually price a lot of these features on your car, so your sticker price will be really high. They don't provide you with standard. I think there was one, I think Volkswagen, the backup camera is an added option, which was like, what do you mean backup camera is added option? So I'm sure even with Audi, the extra features, you have to pay more money.
Right, now this is all standard. It's crazy.
So it's gonna go on its own and just find it.
Well, this is park assist. Let's see if it's gonna think that there's a parking spot somewhere. So it's only for parallel parking. So I mean, it thinks there's a parallel spot here, but it does fully park for you. I'm not gonna drive through that wood though.
Yeah.
So park assist.
That was really nice.
Yeah, you get in these cars and how quiet and smooth it is, it just lulls you into driving it the way that it wants to be driven, right?
And that's pretty much it. That's a look at the new E350 2021 facelift. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to Mercedes Lounge. I create weekly Mercedes-Benz as well as Mercedes-AMG videos. Make sure you hit subscribe, leave a comment, and tell me what you think about this brand new Mercedes-Benz E-Class facelift. Until then, stay safe and see you next one.